During a visit to the Francis Crick Institute, Boris Johnson deflected questions about his personal disappointment at resigning.
You talked about the herd in Westminster. You said when it moves, and it certainly stampeded on you last week. Do you feel betrayed?
Look, I don't want to say any more about all that. There's a contest underway, and that must happen. And I wouldn't want to damage anybody's chances by offering my support. I just have to get on. I have to get on, and in the last few days and weeks, the job of the constitutional function of the Prime Minister in this situation is to discharge the mandate, to continue to discharge the mandate. And that's what I'm doing.
Johnson, who announced his decision to step down on Thursday after a slew of ministerial resignations in protest at his leadership and a scandal-ridden few months, has said he will remain in post until his replacement is chosen. 11 candidates have now launched campaigns to be the next Prime Minister, with British Foreign Secretary Liz Truss the latest to declare her candidacy.
I know that whatever happens, and whoever takes over, there is a great agenda to be continued, and that we've put in some pretty fantastic investments, not just in science, but in infrastructure, in skills, and in technology that I think are going to enable us Conservatives, I should say, to keep on with our programme of levelling up and delivering for all the people in this country.
And Prime
that's
Minister,
what we're going to do.